Okay, we're going to be looking at question 11 to 15 for the wmit.edu. So we need to find the source port. Alright, we go to Wireshark and command prompt. Now, the source port, sorry, the destination port for the query message is 53 and the response for the source is 53. Okay, we got that. Now, supposedly, we're asking for the IP address of the query message of the DNS, and is this our local default DNS server? Alright, so here is the, how should I say, hold on. For our local server, DNS server, this is our local internet default server. It's in command prompt. That it is. And for our internet service, 192.168.16.183. So maybe we could say use the 192.168.16.1. Like at the internet server, since and our DNS server, because in the response it's shown like this, like so. Basically, yeah, we could write it down, and this is the address of our local DNS server. And now we have to look at the DNS query message. What type of DNS is it, and does the query message contain any answers? We go for the query message. It's a type A query message. This, so we call it the DNS query message. It's a type A. And does the query contain any answers? So let's look if it has any answer. It just has the IP address of the MIT.edu. So that's an answer. So we write here the query contains the IP address. Hold on. Well, as we can see here in the query, we have the name of the website, which is www.mit.edu. So we could say in this message, oops, sorry, we're looking at another one. And for 14, there's only one answer provided. Since there's only one DNS message, I could be wrong. AAA, no, we don't know what that is. So yeah, one message. So there's one answer. And it contains, hold on, the query message contains. Let's see that. Okay, for number 13, we know it's a type A. The message is just only a query. There's no answer in it. And for number 14, oops, sorry. Examine the DNS response method. How many answers? Oops. Response. Oh. Well, the response, hold on. When the queries, let's see there. You land the class. However, the answers we got is the I think I'm gonna choose one. There's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's the name, the CNAME. That's a type. Hold on. Class type, time to live, the date, CNME. So hold on, I'm gonna put that down. Collection there may be 5 or 7. So I did put 5. So each that's what I see. And now we need to provide a screenshot. So we go to File, we click Print. Put selected package only. Select print. Hold on. Basically, we need to. This is what we're seeing here, everyone. Even though the print second didn't help, but there's a lot, so I got like the most important one. So now you saw a screenshot. Hope you enjoyed the video.